Welcome to the SuperKlean DuraMix 8000 steam and cold water mixing station installation video. This video will show you how to properly mount and set up your DuraMix 8000 mixing station, the world's safest and highest rated steam and cold water mixer. For over 30 years, SuperKlean's DuraMix 8000 has been renowned for its long life, easy and efficient 15-minute on-the-wall preventative maintenance, and industry-leading 3-year warranty. Let's begin installing your DuraMix 8000. You will need a power drill with a 12mm or 1/2-inch drill bit, a 2-inch adjustable wrench, a socket wrench with a 17mm and 19mm socket, and pipe thread sealant or PTFE tape. All mounting hardware is included. Before beginning, make sure that both globe valves are fully closed by turning the hand wheels clockwise. It is essential that both globe valves are closed before installation. Begin by marking the 4 holes of the mounting plate on the wall where you want your mixing station. Drill 12mm or equivalent holes on the wall and install the supplied anchor bolts. Make sure that the holes are deep enough to accommodate the anchor bolts so that only the threaded parts of the bolts protrude, allowing the mounting plate to be installed to the wall. Mount the plate to the wall and secure using the anchor bolt nuts. Mount the mixing unit to the plate and loosely secure with the 2 shorter top bolts. Mount the hose rack to the mixing unit and secure with the 2 longer bottom bolts. Secure the mixing unit to the mounting plate by tightening all 4 supporting bolts with the 17mm socket wrench for the top 2 bolts and a 19mm socket or adjustable wrench for the bottom 2 bolts. If the optional SuperKlean temperature gauge was purchased, remove the front plug and install the temperature gauge. Pipe thread sealant or alternatives such as PTFE tape is recommended on all threads. The mixing unit is now ready for piping. For the best water quality, it is recommended that you use strainers and steam traps when first installing your DuraMix 8000. Strainers on the steam and cold water pipeline ensure that no debris enters the mixing station, and steam traps positioned on the steam line are used to prevent condensation in the unit. The mixing station will not operate properly with condensation in the steam chamber. Isolation valves are also available to cut supply to the mixing unit for maintenance or shutdown procedures without shutting down the whole line. Install the steam and cold water supply lines to the mixing unit inlets using pipe thread sealant or alternative. Loosen the coupler nut above the globe valve, allowing the pipe coupler to spin freely. Tighten the water or steam supply line to the pipe coupler. Afterwards, tighten the coupler nut. In case of piping misalignment, the nut beneath the globe valve can be loosened to adjust the angle of the globe valve. If the secondary upper hot water outlet is to be used, install line to the top secondary output outlet on the mixing station. Attach hose with a 3/4 inch MNPT fitting to the outlet of the mixing unit using pipe thread sealant or alternative. Attach the spray nozzle to the outlet of the hose with a 1/2 inch MNPT fitting. Gradually open the cold water globe valve to pressurize the mixing station and check for leaks. If there are any visible leaks, immediately turn off the globe valve and depressurize the mixing unit by spraying the nozzle. Then disassemble and reseal leakage points. Once complete, reassemble and repeat this procedure to check for leaks. If no more leaks occur, proceed to the next step. If leaking occurs, repeat this procedure. Next, gradually open the steam globe valve to pressurize the mixing station and check for leaks. If there are any visible leaks, immediately turn off the globe valve and depressurize the mixing unit by spraying the nozzle. Allow the mixing unit to cool before you disassemble and reseal leakage points. Once complete, reassemble and repeat this procedure to check for leaks. If no more leaks occur, proceed to the next step. If leaks occur, repeat this procedure. With both globe valves fully open, the mixing unit is now ready for operation. Please proceed to the SuperKlean DuraMix 8000 operation video for a detailed walkthrough of operating your mixing station for the first time and recalibrating your DuraMix 8000 if and when needed.